All right, today we're gonna review this computer charger. This is gonna be good for your Dell computer, your HP computer, the Lenovo Fit, anything that has the USB-C right over here. So we're gonna take a look. These come wrapped really nice. So you'll see here, this is a 65 watt right over there. Comes with the Velcro, which is really, really nice. So easy to just kind of unwrap. And you can adjust this how you want, so you don't have to worry about your cords going all over the place. Also comes with the power supply right over here. So you'll see this has the three right there. You're literally just gonna plug this in just like that, put this into your laptop, and you are good to go. Also comes with this manual. The thing that I didn't really think about with this as well is this is a USB-C. So this could charge your iPad, this could do your headphones, this could do the Nintendo Switch, it could do anything that is compatible USB-C. Obviously, we'll be using this for a laptop, but in case of you just need to charge headphones or anything like that, it could be done with this. So if you're looking for a great replacement charger or just a charger for a USB-C, definitely check this out.